Hello guys, in this video I will show you how you can easily find your wallet address in Binance step by step. First of all, open up your Binance app. From here, click on deposit crypto. Here in the search bar, I will search for the currency. For example, I will choose USDT, then click on USDT. From here, I have to choose the network from which I will receive the USDT. For example, here is TRC20, BNB, Ethereum. Make sure you choose the right network, otherwise your USDT will be lost. Here I will choose TRC20. From here, I can see the deposit address. This is the USDT wallet address. We can also save the wallet QR code. Thanks for watching the video.